Okay, so the purpose of this video clip is to explain to you how to write an effective summary. A summary is a condensed version of an original text that relates the main idea of the text and explains how that main idea is supported. When you write a summary, you relate all of the author's original ideas in your own words. You don't rely on the words of the author because your purpose, as far as the summary as writing assignment goes, is to prove to the reader that you comprehend this text well enough to relate these ideas in your own words. And the purpose for you as the writer of the summary is to come to a deeper level of understanding of the text, and you do so by taking the writer's original words and working with them until you can put them into your own language. So there are three basic steps to writing an effective summary, and the first one is to provide publication information and identify the text fully so that it is clear from the start to the finish of your summary that you're summarizing someone else's ideas. That these are not your ideas. So you identify the text by the author's name, the title of the text, the date of publication, any other rhetorical information that you want to share. Include that in the first two sentences of your summary. From there, you relate the main idea of the text in your own words, and then you go on to explain how that main idea is supported. And as you explain how the main idea is supported, for example, Neil Postman supports his main idea by discussing the 5 different things we need to know about technological change, and Anne McClintock supports her main idea by discussing 6 different types of propaganda that are used in advertising. You make sure to use attribution throughout your summary, so again that it's clear that you're summarizing someone else's ideas. So when you use attribution, you attribute the ideas being discussed to the author of the text. You do so by using the author's last name and by using a present tense active verb. Krishnamurti writes, McClintock asserts, Postman maintains, Bart continues. Those are all good examples of attribution or signal phrases. So use those frequently to make it clear to the reader, to guide the reader, your reader, through the summary of someone else's ideas. You can conclude your summary with basically a statement of how the author concludes his or her text, and that will be the process that you need to go through to create an effective summary.